Hello friends, myself Gauri here. Today I am here to give you a brief introduction on features of Java. Java is a programming language and a platform. Now what is a platform? It is any hardware or software environment in which a program runs known as a platform. Since Java has its own runtime environment, JRE and API, it is called a platform. Now let's have a look on features of Java. Buzzwords are also known as features of Java. Simple, oops, platform independent, secured, robust, portable, high performance, multi-threaded are features of Java. There is a given many features of Java. They are known as buzzwords. The Java features given below are simple and easy to understand. First, simple. Java is easy to write and more readable and eye-catching. Java has a concise, cohesive set of features that makes it easy to learn and use. Most of the concepts are drawn from C++, thus making Java learning simpler. Object-oriented programming. Java programming is object-oriented programming language. Like C++, Java provides most of the object-oriented features. Java is purely OOPS language, while C++ is semi-object oriented. Next feature, platform independent. The hardware and software that is provided for proper functioning of the program is called its platform. They can be either hardware based or software based. The Java platform, which is software based, runs above the hardware based programs. Next feature, secure. Java is secure because it has no explicit pointer. Programs run inside virtual machine class loader. Adds security by separating the package for class of local file system from those that are imported from network source. Bitcode verifier. It checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access right to objects. And security manager. Next feature, robust. Robust is simple means strong. Java uses strong memory management. There are lack of pointer that avoids security problem. There is automatic garbage in Java. All this makes Java robust. Next feature, distributed. We can create distributed applications in Java. RMI and EJB are used for creating distributed applications. We may access files by calling the methods from any machine on internet. Next feature is portable. Java code is portable. It is an important design goal of Java that it be portable so that as new architectures due to hardware, operating system or both are developed, the Java environment could be ported by them. Next, high performance. Java is faster than traditional interpretation since bitcode is close to native code, still somewhat slower than complicated language, example C++. And the last one is multi-threading. A thread is like separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. Its main advantage is it shares same memory. Thank you.